Hi everyone, Emily with MarineMax Nisswa. We just got in a 2017 MasterCraft X20. This boat is in absolute mint condition. I'm going to point out some of my favorite features. 20-foot boat. This boat packs a punch. You have a nice pickle fork bow, plenty of space, cup holders. We also have the bow filler cushion in this boat, so if you want it, one big playpen. Very easy to do. Has a capacity for 12 people in here, and it's definitely very comfortable. So driver's seat, you have a nice bolster chair if you want to be up able to see. Analog gauges, super easy to be able to turn your heaters on, have control of the music, your lights. Only 144 hours on this 2017. That is very good. Now I want to point out my favorite spot on the boat. It's this convertible rear seat. Flip it over. You can see all of your surfers, all the action is going to be behind this boat. And what helps is that we have these little tow points on the tower. So if your surfer gets stuck left or right side, it makes it very easy to get over that whitewash and get them surfing. And I want to show you from the back of the boat, you have flip up transom seats. Again, you're going to be able to relax on this boat, be at the sandbar. Very nice interior and exterior as well. Come see this boat today at MarineMax Nisswa.